Hello, today talk about my favorite food electronic device is smartphone. It means function is to help with communication and accessing information anytime and anywhere. A smartphone includes basic components such as a processor, battery, display, memory, and camera. The processor controls all operation. The battery provides power, and the display shows information and responds to touch. The memory stores data, while the camera is used to take photos and record video. I like this device because it compact, convey, convenient, convenient, and very useful in daily life. Thanks for watching.